G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the links and we're happy to help you out. Okay, Peter here from Comfort Zone. Just wanted to take a quick video and show you what I'm doing up in a roof. I've just been pumping some cellulose fibre, so there's a little bit of dust in there, but I've just climbed up into the Scissor Truss section, so you can see how small all of this is. Right, that's my hand there and foot there, you know. So this is only a tiny little bit entryway, and then if I turn around, it's a bit hard to do. Right. Okay, that's where I've come down from. Up there is all the way up there in there. I've been crawled all the way up there and pumped that with cellulose fibre, and I'm just working my way back now, and that's where you can imagine if you had to try and put bats in here, it'd be quite impossible, and normally they just don't get done regardless of whether sales reps say they get done. They normally don't, but I can actually climb through quite tight areas and pump cellulose fibre. So, and that hose there on the stick there is 75 millimeters wide. So there's only 300, maybe 400 in the middle high. So it's not very high. It's my hips only just turn around in here to turn over from rolling on my back to my tummy. So anyway,